close till I get.
Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notification. Hi friends, good morning. Now I am going to discuss May 16, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. What is the amount that was allocated from PM CARES Fund Trust to fight against COVID-19 pandemic? That is 3,100 crore rupees. This PM CARE, that is Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund Trust, has allocated 3,100 crore to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Out of the total amount, around rupees 2,000 crores will be allocated for the purchase of ventilators, and also 1,000 crores are allocated to care the migrant laborers, and another 100 crores to support the vaccine development. Okay, next question. The ICMR has launched the fast-tracked the rollout of the global solidarity trial launched by WHO to help and also to find an effective treatment to COVID-19. Name the ICMR institute which acts as national coordination site for the trial in India. That is National AIDS Research Institute. This ICMR means Indian Council for Medical Research has fast-tracked the rollout global solidarity trial to launch the WHO to help for an effective treatment for COVID-19. The ICMR Nationalized AIDS Research Institute is the national coordination site for the trial in India. So far, 9 states have been approved to conduct this randomized controlled clinical trials under this solidarity trial. If you talk about this NARI, that means National AIDS Research Institute, headquarters located in Pune of Maharashtra. Director is Samiran Panda. Next one. The central government has set up a new body, Rice Export Promotion Forum, that is REPF, to promote rice export. The REPF is function under the aegis of which body? This functions under the aegis of APDA. The full form of APDA is Agricultural and Processed Fruit Products Export Development Authority. It is an apex body under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The Government of India responsible for the export promotion of agricultural products. This chairman of APDA is Paban K. Botakur. Director is Tarun Bajaj. Established in December 1985, headquarters located in New Delhi. Next one. Name the Indian state or union territory has planned to provide tap connectivity to supply water to all rural families by December 2020 under the Jal Jeevan Mission. That states are Haryana and Jammu Kashmir. This Jal Jeevan Mission means piped water supply to all households by 2024, and also integrated demands and supply side management at all local levels, and it also covers with other central and state government schemes, and also it is a creation of local infrastructure and reuse of waste water in agriculture. Next one. What will be the criteria for the medium units as per new definition set for MSME in terms of investment and turnover? That is 20 crores and 100 crores rupees. The micro units companies with investments up to 1 crore and turnover of below rupees 5 crore, that is small unit companies with investment below rupees 10 crore and turnover under rupees 50 crore, and medium units are companies having investments under 20 crore and turnover is rupees 100 crore. As per the personal amendments will need to be made in the MSME Development Act of 2016. Next one. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced how much amount of collateral free emergency credit Lenito for MSMEs, that is 3 lakh rupees, 3 lakh crore rupees. Next one, the EPF contribution is reduced for the businesses and the workers for 3 months from the existing 12% to how much percent for all established covered by EPFO? That is of 10%. To provide more home salary for employees and also to give relief for employees, the EPF, that means Employment Provident Contribution, is being reduced for businesses and the workers for 3 months to 10% from an existing of 12%. Okay. Next one. As per the latest report of United Nations World Tourism Organization, what will be the decline percent in international tourism compared to 2019? That is 60 to 80%. If we talk about this UNWTO, that means United Nations World Tourism Organization. This is UN's specialized agency responsible for the promotion of sustainable and universally accessible tourism. In total, there are 159 member states including India. Headquarters located in Madrid of Spain. Secretary General is Zurab Polokashvili. Next one. According to World Health Organization Global Nutrition Report 2020, India is one among 88 countries to miss global nutrition targets by which year? That is 2025. According to World Health Organization Global Nutrition Report 2020, India is among 88 countries to miss global nutrition targets by 2025, is with the highest rates of domestic inequalities in malnutrition. India, along with Nigeria and Indonesia, are the worst in disparities in stunning the levels varied fourfold across communities. Okay, if you talk about World Health Organization, headquarters located in Geneva of Switzerland, and Director General is Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Next one, as per the Global Forest Resource Assessment, that is FRA 2020, the forest loss rate is 15 from 2015 to 2020 has declined an estimated of 10 million hectares from 12 million hectares in 10 to 2015 years. Name the organization which has released this FRA report of 2020, that is Food and Agriculture Organization. If you talk about this Food and Agriculture Organization, headquarters located in Rome of Italy, Director General is Q.U. Dongyu. Next one, in which region of the world largest annual rate of net forest loss in 2020 to 10 to 20 reported net again highest in India, that is Africa country. Name the Indian state which has launched Mati Smithy scheme to utilize 50,000 acre barren land in 6 districts for income generating activities, that is West Bengal. The state is West Bengal. The West Bengal government has launched Mati Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts for generating income activities like horticulture and also pisciculture involving the locals. And also Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has added the scheme to benefit around 2.5 lakh people in rural Bengal. If you talk about the West Bengal, capital is Kolkata, governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Next one, the Reserve Bank of India has extended the interest subsidy period for the exporters under interest equalization scheme for pre and post shipment rupee export credit to which date? That is March 31st, 2021. If we talk about Reserve Bank of India, headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, formation is 1st April 1935, Governor is Shakti Kanta Das. Next one, name the private sector bank which has partnered with MoneyGram payments system for direct to bank deposits in India, that is Federal Bank. MoneyGram payment scheme is a subsidiary of MoneyGram International Global Leader in the payment to payments tied up with the Federal Bank, a private bank in India, to provide the customers a cost-effective way and also to receive the deposits directly into the bank accounts of the customers. Okay, if you talk about the Federal Bank, founder is Kulangar Pulo Hormus, Chairman is Grace Elizabeth, MD and CEO is Sham Srinivasan, headquarters located in Aluva of Kerala, formed in 23rd April 1931. If we talk about MoneyGram payment system, Chairman and CEO is Alexander Holmes, CFO is Larry Angeli, founded in 1988. Next one, what is the United Nations estimated of India's economic growth for a calendar year 2020, that is 1.2%. In the United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospects mid-year for the forecast of COVID-19 pandemic situation will shrink by 3.2% in 2020. This is the sharpest contraction since 1930. Okay, next one. Name the person who has been awarded the Vice Admiral GM Harinandini Memorial Rolling Trophy for the year 2020. The person is Akshay Kumar. He is a Lieutenant Commander Akshay Kumar. The Anti-Submarine Warfare School of the Southern Naval Command SNC in Kochi has awarded the Vice Admiral GM Harinandini Memorial Rolling Trophy for the year 2020. Next one, the External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has attended the Foreign Ministry meet of Shanghai Corporation CSO hosted by Russia. Where is the headquarters of this Shanghai Corporation located? It is located in Beijing. Secretary General is Vladimir Norvo, headquarters located in Beijing of China, founded in 15th June 2021. Okay, our External Minister Jai Shankar has participated in a virtual conference of foreign ministers hosted by Russia from Shanghai Corporation. Member state insisted for the collective collection against the terrorism and security challenges. Headquarters are located in Beijing of China. Next one, the former Lok Sabha MP Raja Rangappa Naik, who passed away recently, is associated with political party. He is associated with JDS, that is Janata Dal Secular. He is a parliament member. He passed away at the age of 61 years in Bangalore of Karnataka. He had presented the Raichur constituency of Karnataka and was elected to Lok Sabha elections in 1996. If you talk about Karnataka, capital is Bangalore and Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa. Okay, that's all friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.